Today I will show you how to change the default branch on GitHub. And if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing I'd like you to do is log in to your GitHub account. This is what the dashboard should look like. And the next thing I'd like you to do is go to the far right where the icon displays your display image. You're going to click on that and you're going to go to repositories. Now on the repositories, you want to find the repo of which you want to change its default branch, and you're going to click on that repo. Now we have this repo, but this repo only has one branch. So in order to change the default branch, we definitely need another branch. And once we click here, we can, it says find or create a branch. We can create a dev branch here. We type dev and we come here and we click on create dev branch from main. And as you can see, we have two branches. It says two branches here, the main branch and the dev branch. But the main branch is the default branch, and what we want to do is we want to make the dev branch the default branch. So what we're going to do is we're going to come to settings. Now on the settings, under the general tab in the settings, we're going to scroll down and we see default branch here, and it says main. We're going to click on this icon that says switch to another branch, and we're going to switch, and we click here and then we choose dev and then we click on update. And just like that, default branch changed to dev. And when we go to the code base, you can see once you click here, it's going to say dev is the default branch. And that's how you change the default branch on GitHub. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Until the next one, see ya.